We're doing a fish-friendly passage and doing some restoration of some slides. So we're improving water quality for salmon habitat.
I like being outside and not being stuck in an office all day. It's very comfortable. The seat adjusts plenty, you know, you can get yourself right in the right position. The sheer power of these machines is pretty cool. And it's done everything I've asked it to do. From the machines I learned on, it's like a Cadillac.
There's one feature I really like about the loader is the quick coupler on it. It's really easy to do the quick change. I've always loved running Komatsus. They're top of the line. Even for such a small size of a wheel loader here, we've actually done quite some impressive work and put it to the test, and it's held up really well.